So I've been using the MyoSpots now in my myofunctional therapy clinic, and I talk about them in my workshops as well for about 1.5 years now. And I actually just finished seeing a 9-year-old little girl, and her father brought her in, and he said on the days where she has her MyoSpots in that he's noticed that her lips are together most of the time. So that was really good feedback that I just had just then. I find I use them as a re-education for the tongue, so it's a good reference point so people know where the tongue should be filling up the whole palate, and it's a good reminder for them to keep the lips together. I also use them for some of my chronic head and neck pain patients too, and it's not just a reminder for them for good oral posture, but it's also a reminder to kind of check their overall posture as well. Are their shoulders up? Are they relaxed? And what are they doing? Are they hunching over? So it's a reminder technique for lots of different things that they should be doing throughout the day as well. So I use them for the kids that I see, and I suggest them for the adults as well. So they're pretty easy to put in. The patients quite enjoy the flavours. The kids get a bit of a kick, and they find if they get 2 flavours, they might get up one day and go, okay, which flavour can I choose today? Do I feel like banana or do I feel like blueberry? And now there's obviously there's more flavours coming out, so they're actually pretty excited about that too. And I like the MyoSpots as well because they're safe. They're safe to be used inside the mouth, which is obviously really quite important. But I always go back with my patients and really focus on a lot of the time, where is your tongue? We talk a lot about the importance of the tongue being up on the roof of the mouth for craniofacial growth and development, for helping to release tension, as well as the overall body posture as well. So, and when the tongue's sitting up on the roof of the mouth, it helps us to breathe through our nose too. So there's lots of good reasons why our tongue needs to be sitting up on the roof of the mouth, and our lips should be together and nose breathing. So I just wanted to share my experience with the MyoSpots, and I really quite think they're a really good product, and they're Australian too, so that's even better.